This video will demonstrate basic instructions for mounting the Beck actuator onto a valve. First, identify all the mounting hardware and fasteners supplied with the actuator. Cross-reference the list and any special instructions on the valve mounting sheet provided to make sure all parts are accounted for. Note that any special instructions that may apply could override the generic mounting instructions provided and shown in this video. Next, make sure that the valve is in the closed position. Connect proper line power to the actuator at the appropriate terminals in the wiring terminal compartment. See the wiring diagram inside the terminal cover. A wiring diagram can also be obtained at www.haroldbeck.com by entering the actuator serial number in the serial number lookup field. Electrically position the actuator output shaft to its minimum or 0% position. The minimum actuator position is its counterclockwise travel limit if the valve requires clockwise stem rotation to open. Conversely, the actuator's minimum or 0% position is its clockwise travel limit if the valve requires counterclockwise stem rotation to open. Please note that for actuators with control options of 3, 4, 5, and 6, use the hand switch to electrically position the actuator to its appropriate end of travel limit. For modulating models with control options of 7, 8, and 9, better results are achieved by using a control signal, for example 4 to 20 milliamps, to position the actuator to the end of travel limit with the hand switch in the auto mode. The bolt pattern for the mounting bracket is square, allowing the actuator to be mounted in any of 4 possible positions. Select whichever position best suits the application space and access requirements. Apply Loctite number 242 or number 290 to all fastener openings and attach the mounting bracket to the actuator. Tighten the bracket to actuator fasteners to the recommended torque provided on the valve mounting sheet. Attach the valve to the mounting bracket. Temporarily tighten the mounting bracket screws. Loosely assemble the valve stem-to-actuator shaft coupling to the valve stem. Make sure to orient the coupling so that the proper side is over the valve stem. Snug the coupling fasteners to allow the valve stem and actuator shafts to align. Snug the mounting bracket to valve fastener slightly. Remove the shaft coupling to access the bracket to valve fasteners. Tighten the 4 mounting bracket to valve fasteners to the specified torque. Replace the shaft coupling and snug the coupling fasteners to make sure the coupling is seating properly and in alignment with both the actuator shaft and valve stem. Place the index band around the coupling, but do not tighten the fasteners snugly yet. Tighten the shaft coupling fasteners to the required torque specification listed on valve mounting instructions. Do this in a crisscross sequence until the required torque is reached. Attach the index pointer and pointer spacer if indicated, or on some models, the pointer pin to the mounting bracket. Rotate the index band to align the closed position with the pointer and tighten the index fasteners. The actuator is now installed and ready for use. Run the drive from 0% closed to 100% open in both directions to verify accuracy of the indicator.